I grew up in Custer on a farm. I was the youngest of 5 kids. I was born crippled with a really rare muscle disease. Experienced a lot of ridicule. Kids would call me crippled, bow-legged. I turned 18, I had corrective surgery on my feet so I could walk, and that led to painkillers. I had gotten strung out on painkillers from having so many surgeries. Came to where the doctors cut me off and I couldn't get any more, and a friend of mine introduced me to heroin. That also led to cocaine and other street drugs. You get so far down that there's just nowhere but to go up. You can't go any further down. So living in your car doing drugs is not a good feeling. Not showering for days is not a good feeling. Not knowing where your next meal is going to come from is not a good feeling. The progression is just, it was terrible for me. You feel so bad. The guilt and shame are enormous. The bondage of self-destructive life is brutal. 2004, I was living in my car, and I prayed one night in my car. I prayed for God to get me out of that way of life. And I'm forever grateful that my God is in the business of fixing broken people. Because I'm still broken in a lot of ways, but I'm not as broken as I was when I lived in my car and homeless. Jesus is my Lord and my Savior. He's my rock. He's what I built my 17 years of recovery on. The thief, the devil, comes to steal, kill, and destroy. John 10:10. And the Lord has come that we might have life and have it more abundantly. And we do. When we give our lives to Christ, we have life more abundantly. God is a God of restoration. He's a God of fixing broken people. He's a God of love. And He never, ever, ever stopped pursuing. He never stopped pursuing me. And so for the rest of my life, I'm going to pursue Him.